Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our fourth video in Python data manipulating or Python data science. In the last video we have covered NumPy array indexing, and in this video we are going to cover NumPy array slicing. We are going to make a new Python file in PyCharm IDE. I call it NumPy array slicing. Basically, NumPy array slicing is the same as standard Python list array slicing. The first thing I should import NumPy as in P. After that, I'm going to make a NumPy array example one in P dot range, and I give it 20. Now I'm going to print my example one. If we run this, you can see that we have array from 0 to 19. Okay. Now, if you want to, for example, you want to access from 0 to this, from 0 and between these 0 and 6, between these index elements, you can simply write print example one, and you give 6. Now if I run this, you will see I will have from 0 to 5 number. If you want to the 6, you can change this to 7. You can see that we have array from 0 to 6. If you want to access the elements after index 5 or after index 6, you can simply write print example 1. For example, I want to access the array from index 6. You can write 7. You can write like this. If you run this, you can see that after the 6 we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 19. If you want to access middle of the array in NumPy, you can simply write print example 1. For example, I want the numbers in the middle of 6 and index 6, in this index 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, index 7, and index 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For example, index 12. If you run this, you can see that we have the numbers from 6 up to 11 between these two. If you want to access every other element, for example, I want to the first element should be 0, the second element should be 2, the third element should be 4. You can simply for this write print example 1 and you write 2. If I run this, you can see that in here we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 18. If you change this to 4, we will have 4 step numbers: 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16. If you want to access all element reverse, for example, this is from 0, 1, 2, 3. I want it should be start by reverse from 19 up to 0. You can simply write print example 1 minus 1. If you run this, you can see that now it's reversed. From 19 it begins, and and the end is 0. Okay, thank you guys. This was for our NumPy array slicing. It was a one-dimensional array. In the next video, we will cover NumPy multidimensional array slicing. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and also like the video.